Hey, and thank you for joining me to my very first video of my new YouTube channel, Nomadic BVR. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. If you don't like the video, please comment and let me know what the hell you did not like about the video so I can probably ignore it. But yeah, this is it. Well, a Corsair build, a B550 Elite motherboard. For the chipset, I went with the AMD 5600 XT. Let's not forget about the graphics card, RTX 3070. Pretty cool graphics card. For the memory, I have some Ripshaw G-Skill 32 gigabytes memory. It's great for VR. People, please do not do that 16 gigabytes as you will only be needing more power. And yeah, have 2 terabyte sticks of NVMe M.2. So yes, plenty of memory, plenty of storage space there. So let's just appreciate this build. Oh, I love how it goes with my Oculus.